of the day is going to be a McDonald's. This one is $8, going about 4 miles. Thank you. Just got the next order. This is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a Taco Bell going just under 2 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points today?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Love me a good no tip in the morning. Total for that one was $4. Wowee. And just got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 4 miles. This is only one drink, so probably another no tip if I had to guess. Yeah, I was right. No tip on that one. Total for that was $5. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Yep, have a good one.
I appreciate it.
Oh, this is just what we're doing today, I guess. No tip. Total for that one was $5. Next up is a high mileage order. We love those. This is a Voodoo Donut going 8.5 miles.
Just put it right there for you.
Total for that one was $11, and got this one right away. It is a McDonald's. This one's going 5 miles, but it's taking me even further away from my zone, so this is probably a mistake. Thank you. Total for that order was $9. Okay, that one was pretty decent. Too bad I'm still really, really, really far away from my zone, so most likely just gonna have to drive all the way back with nothing. Unfortunately, did not get an order heading back into my zone, so most of this was dead mileage, but I did get something just now. This is a Black Rock coffee going 3 miles. It says, I will be standing outside. Great. Also, look at this order that I had to turn down. I should have just unassigned the one that I'm doing right now because it wasn't even ready, but yeah. Okay, I'm here. Don't see anybody. Also, this is an apartment complex with no apartment number.
Thank you very much.
Careful, Tot.
Oh, thank you.
Total for that was $6. I mean, not terrible, but just knowing that I could have done the other order instead, a little painful. Been a little bit, but finally got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $12, going 6 miles.
And is this for you?
Thank you.
And then this is the next.
Next up is a Black Rock coffee. This one's $7, going 2 miles. Got this one right away. It's a Voodoo Donut going 6 miles. Looks like they're giving me an add-on for Crave Grill going an extra 1 mile. I think it's for a different customer, but it's on the way to the other one, so why not?
Thank you, stop it.
Thank you. you. Total for that stack was $12 and change, and got this right away. This is a, what is this? The Human Being going 5 miles. I see 4 cars in the drive-thru. I'm just gonna pull up to the other window and see if that'll be quicker.
Hi there.
I just got a DoorDash for Hannah.
Okay. Finish that. Just one more minute.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Have a wonderful day.
You too. That took pretty much the same amount of time as it would have in the drive-thru, but at least I got some fresh air. Also, I got an order while I was waiting. This is a Taco Bell going an extra 2 miles.
There we go.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
You may be wondering why. First of all, this place is impossible to navigate. There's no map anywhere. DoorDash has a pin, but it's never in the right spot. And on top of that, they told me to hurry up. Very cool, very nice. Yeah, don't be that guy. Total for that stack was $10 and change. No tip on the Taco Bell. Are we surprised? No. Are we disappointed? Yes. Anyways, I'm over it. Time to go home. Current time is 9:29. No idea on the total because DoorDash loves ending my shift, but it'll be right there. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.